is about to begin.
Begin what?
The drive. I'm gonna drive. Mom, I'm gonna drive.
Where are we going?
We're going to outer space.
How are we going to go to outer space in a truck?
Because I will show you the way how. You drive, you do this like this.
Okay. How does that go to outer space, though?
The drive is, and I'm going to transform it in. I'm going to transform it into a rocket.
Awesome.
Hop on board. Hop on board.
Okay, I'm coming on board.
Okay, here we go. In 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Oh, you are a serious rocket pilot. That sounds like Angry Mommy. Is that Angry Mommy?
No, it's a 5 from the back.
What's Angry Mommy sound like?
It sounds like this. Let's go.
No, what does Angry Mommy sound like?
That's how it looks like.
How does Angry Mommy sound like?
It looks like this. Wow. You know how it looks like? Mom, I'm warm in this truck.
Where's your shirt?
It's inside.
Why is your shirt inside?
Because I need to stay in this truck.
But you can't have a shirt on in this truck? Is that a requirement?
It's turned into a truck now.
You can't have a shirt on in this truck?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because I need to drop no snow foot. I need to spill a drink right here.
You need to spill a drink, right? What kind of drink?
Okay. I didn't spill my drink. I was about to come in this truck. I'm gone.
Hey, Jackie, what day is today?
I don't know.
Is it Sunday?
Hey!
Is it Monday?
January.
Can you do the days of the week? There's
Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and Wednesday. It's Thursday and it's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
days of the week.
No.
Good job.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year.
Good job, Jack.